My mama could sing, but she didn't. My dad did. So he was the one that introduced me to the Cherokee songs. All the Cherokees that lived in that area would gather at the cemetery, and they would sing those songs, Cherokee songs. All my other sisters could sing too, just like my daughters do. They learned the same way, just by hearing. There were churches here and there that still sing Cherokee songs. We would visit, and my daughters were willing to sing with their dad, and we'd all go up there and we sing.
Singers include Susan, myself, Brenda, Linda, Elizabeth, Joan, and our mother Wanda, and of course Becky and Janelle, and we are the Girty family singers. We grew up with our grandparents being right here on our dad's side. You know, so Grandma and Duda's house was right there. My grandma and Duda were stomp dance people at the very beginning. They went to stomp grounds. They went to the ceremonial grounds. And Duda was a leader. He would sing. And that's where I think a lot of the singing that Duda sang came from that. So whenever they started going to church, that's when Duda used to would lead songs.
And he had the spirit. He had, you know, he would sing them songs, and it would just be, you know, he could fill that whole church building with his voice.
Whoever we are comes from them teaching us how to be, teaching us how to sing, and teaching us how to be Cherokee.
Hey, Miles. They call this Girty Hill because there's so many of us that live here. My grandpa's sister lives here. My grandpa actually lives up the hill here, and then his brother lives on the other side of the hill. And my grandpa's dad used to live up here on the hill. His house is gone now. And so I would come down here and spend all summer with my grandparents. So I was down here with my cousins, and we'd be running around in the woods.
Do that snowball now.
All right. And just like they're doing now, this is what we would do. These songs that we pass down from each generation, and the things that we do, the things that we show them, you know, it's just like being a part of this big chain, and each one of us is a link, and we're just passing this down, and hopefully each link is just as strong as the one before it. And maybe one of these days I'm hoping that my own grandchildren will come out here and play, you know, and my son maybe will sing the songs like we were singing inside, and they'll ask him, you know, they'll say, how do you know these songs, Edod? You know, who taught them to you? And he'll tell them, your grandma taught them to me.
I do feel that family life is very important, and I try to keep it that way. And I do truly believe that it's the singing, our belief, that keeps us together. Yes, I'll keep on singing, because That is a God-given talent. The spiritual Cherokee songs, they might not want me to sing with them, but I'm going to be singing.